Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best digital camcorders you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many digital camcorders and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each digital camcorders so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a digital camcorder. First, think about video resolution and image quality. Higher resolution cameras capture sharper and more detailed footage. Next, check the zoom capability because optical zoom provides better clarity than digital zoom. Battery life is also crucial, especially for long recording sessions or travel use. Storage options matter too. So look for expandable memory or high internal storage. Consider the size, weight, and ergonomics to ensure it feels comfortable in your hands. Audio quality is another key factor since built-in microphones vary widely in performance. Finally, look for connectivity features like Wi-Fi or HDMI ports for easy sharing and transfer. By keeping these points in mind, you can find a camcorder that fits your needs and budget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.